You want to be famous like the celebrities. The celebrities take step-by-step approach in order to move from basic to advanced speakers of English. And you can also do the same. In the today's episode, we are going to see one of the lectures of Priyanka Chopra, where she has used beautiful vocabulary and she also talks about how to become a successful person in life. So let's see her lecture.
Thank you, thank you. So my father used to always tell me something which I want to share with you. That why do you want to fit inside a glass slipper? You know, like we were told, like Cinderella did.
What is she saying here? Fit inside a glass slipper. Fit inside a glass slipper means to be perfectly suited, tailored, or destined for a specific role or person opportunity. ठीक है, किसी भी रोल के लिए perfectly suited होना. So she is saying that doesn't want to be fit inside a glass slipper. मतलब वो ये नहीं कि मम्मी पापा ने डिसाइड कर दिया that you want to become an engineer, so I will be an engineer. Decide your goal yourself. If you want to be successful in life, analyze your potential. And along with the same use of that idiom, she also says,
We were told, like Cinderella did, why do you want to fit inside a glass slipper when you can shatter the glass ceiling? I want to tell you a little secret. I'm not very fond of this phrase, breaking the glass ceiling.
break the glass ceiling. Break the glass ceiling refers, it's a very popular metaphor used for overcoming the invisible, unwritten barriers that prevent women or marginalized groups from advancing to top leadership. इसके लिए ये metaphorical expression use किया जाता है, especially women or marginalized section के लिए. So what is she saying? She says that she simply did not want to break the glass ceiling. Instead, she wanted to shatter everything. Means she wanted to learn everything. She wanted to go in different directions. And now she is a famous actor, she is a famous singer, she is a famous author, she is a famous artist, she is a famous poet, she is a famous director. So her family members wanted her to be an aeronautical engineer. And now see what she is today. Hasn't she changed? वो बदल गई है ना, देखिए, she hasn't been successful or not. She has been successful. So listen to this beautiful interview and the meaning of it, and you will understand how success comes to those who follow the life on the basis of what Priyanka is telling us.
Oxford Dictionary definition of the glass ceiling is an unacknowledged barrier to advancement in a profession, especially affecting women and members of minorities from rising beyond a certain level in a hierarchy.
She used the word hierarchy. Hierarchy, a system in which people or things are ranked in importance. ठीक है, एक order के according वो rank किए जाते हैं. So she did not follow that also. She did not follow what her sister was, or she did not follow what others wanted her to be. किसी director ने कोई particular kind of movie उनको दी, so she did not want to do that. Instead, she wanted to follow a different kind of role. उन्होंने fashion movie ली जिसमें totally different role था. उन्होंने अजनबी movie ली जिसमें उनका wellness role था. So means she wanted to make a niche for herself. अपने लिए कुछ नया करना चाहती थी, दुनिया को दिखाना चाहती थी that she is totally different. She is not just the kid of the same block.
I was just kidding, because us millennials, we don't like to be told what to do.
Now, she is using the word millennials. Millennials refers to the age group of those born between 1981 and 1996. यानी कि current समय की अगर हम बात कर लें तो वो 30 से 45, 47 years के बीच में होंगे. So उनके लिए she is addressing those people that there is life ahead for you. There is light beckoning and there is a lot of future in the reckoning. Millennials का मतलब है जो बताया आपको. So she is telling that there are so many things, so many opportunities are there in front of you to avail. आप जाइए, उनको करिए, उनको सीखिए, and then you can go ahead and then you can make your future.
We don't like to be told what to do. So this is a gentle nudge in the right direction, presenting PC's 12 rules of becoming the best version of yourself. So here are a few of my favorites from my list.
She used the word nudge. Nudge means a gentle push or a gentle persuasion. So she says when she was in a difficult situation, her mother, her parents tried to persuade her. उन्होंने उसको persuade करने की कोशिश की कि तुम ये कर लो लाइफ में, वो कर लो. But no, she was very determined in her section. So nudge का मतलब होता है gentle push करना, किसी को मनाना, ठीक है, प्यार से मनाना. So they were nudging her, or the people around her nudged her, but she didn't deter from her goal.
There's only one you, okay? Because there's no one like you. And I don't mean the superfluous, superficial parts. I'm talking about the core of you, who you are inside.
She used this beautiful word superfluous. Superfluous means being more than what is sufficient or required. Extraordinary. You can say, in other words, you can say extraordinary. So what is she saying here? She is talking about fear of change. यहाँ पर वो क्या बात कर रही है? Fear of change लोगों में होता है कि अगर if I will do this, then I may fail. If I will try to become an actor, I may fail. If I don't go for doing engineering, I might not become successful. No, just not that. Do something which you are capable of. Analyze your potential. And that is where she has used this beautiful verse, superfluous. That try to be superfluous in your life. Do something extraordinary. Understood? Then
Now, opportunities. That's another important part of being fearless. They're a very funny thing, these opportunities. They don't come very often. They come far and few in between. But when they do we recognize them?
what is she saying? She's saying few and far between. She used this beautiful idiom. Means something happening rarely, which is something uncommon. So she says there were things which were uncommon. Few and far between. She chose a future which was totally different, uncommon from others. But now everybody praises her efforts. Everybody is happy with her. So this is where she is different. And then what is she saying?
Everything in life. I don't think there's anything wrong with wanting to have the whole cake and eat it too. Nothing wrong. I want everything. मुझे सब कुछ चाहिए.
Wanting to have the whole cake and eat it too. ये idiom है have the cake and eat it too. यानी कि try to grab 2 opportunities, 3 opportunities, many opportunities at the same time. वो क्या कह रही हैं अपने बारे में? That everybody wanted her to be an aeronautical engineer. She was good in mathematics. School life में वो क्या कह रही हैं? कि लोग expect करते थे. मैं भी expect करती थी that I would be an aeronautical engineer.
I wanted to become an aeronautical engineer. What am I today? I'm an actor, I'm a singer, I'm an author, I'm a producer, I'm an artist. Job is to recognize them and make the most of them. I look back on all the things that I've done and I marvel at the opportunities that came my way. Miss India, Miss World, when I was in Bareilly in army school, my first film offer, my first music single, the first film I actually produced. There was never a plan, ever. More like the universe sort of guiding me towards these opportunities. All I had to do was recognize them and make sure I worked so hard that I squeezed every drop out of these opportunities.
But what am I today? I have taken many opportunities at the same time. I went for acting. Here am I, an actor. मुझे singing का शौक था. I tried singing. I am a singer. I became an author as well. I am giving lectures as well. I am the ambassador of UNICEF as well. So many areas I explored myself. So many things I explored, I did. And today I am successful. So means she had the cake and is eating it too. Grabbing more than one opportunity at one time. So be determined always. हमेशा डिटर्मिन रहिए, घबराइए नहीं, परेशान नहीं होइए. There will be situations will be very difficult. As she is saying,
In my heart and my soul, which I do with everything that I actually put my mind to, if that fails, I don't just wallow in self-pity. I roll myself in it. I roll around in it. I wrap myself in it, head to toe, self-pity, self-pity, self-pity.
so she is using the word wallow. Wallow means take great pleasure in something. What is she referring here is that she doesn't become emotional like her parents at all. When they were cajoling her, they were trying to persuade her, or there were failures in her life, because everybody should learn from the failure she is telling. बताया उन्होंने कि कैसे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए सब लोग विरोध में थे. एवरीबडी वॉज अगेंस्ट हर, बट शी डिड नॉट डिटर. उन्होंने डिटरमिन कर लिया था कि मुझे जाना है. तो यही वो कह रही हैं कि आई डिड नॉट बिकम टू मच इमोशनल, कि सब लोग रो रहे हैं मेरे लिए, सब परेशान है कि मैं फेल हो गई हूँ, मुझे सक्सेस नहीं मिल रही है, तो मैं रोने लगूं उनकी तरह. नो, आई डिड नॉट डू सो. देन
Because if you've not truly explored the full extent of your possibilities, you'll always remain stagnant.
Stagnant is the word she used. Stagnant means make no progress. Why is she using this word? मतलब कोई भी progress नहीं करना. क्या कह रही है वो? She talks that if you don't take risk, you don't make progress. So if you are not going to take any risks in your life, you think that by investing money in certain sector, I would incur loss. सो फिर आप आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे? अगर आप सोचते हैं आपके अंदर सिंगिंग का टैलेंट है, यू हैव टैलेंट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, यू हैव ए टैलेंट ऑफ बिकमिंग a very good chef, and you are not trying it, you think that just 8 to 8 p.m. job is good for you. How are you going to be successful, or how are you going to dream big? You can dream big only if you make efforts and take some risks, calculated ones. Don't go for blind risks. Not like a lottery ticket one, but calculated risks are very, very important.
People have written me off several times in my career. Sometimes they didn't agree with my choices. When I played a negative character in my film Aitraz, very early in my career, I was told I'll be a vamp and no one will cast me as a heroine.
How beautiful idiom she used, written me off. Written me off means total failure. Means someone is a failure or hopeless. जब वो कह रही क्या कहती है, जब मैंने अजनबी मूवी की, जब मैंने फैशन मूवी की, तो लोगों ने मुझे people wrote me off. People wrote me off means considered me hopeless. But I was not hopeless. I was trying to prove my point that I am capable of doing very good acting. And these kinds of negative roles or different roles, I was trying to prove my my acting skills rather. Instead of just believing on what others were saying.
A female-centric film called Fashion, again very early on in my career. I was told that was not norm. When I signed a US TV show at the height of my film career in India, each time the risks were huge. The stakes were high and the repercussions could have been, to say not the least, career ending.
And what were the repercussions? The word used. Repercussions means consequences. And she takes the consequences of taking risks is that she is now a celebrity. She is revered world over. People are listening to her. People are praising her. She decided to marry a boy younger than her age. Many people trolled her. So what was she telling in this? सुनिए क्या कहा उन्होंने?
लड़के हो सबसे बड़े. Your responsibility is this. This is who you should be. Who can tell you who you should be? Don't let anyone or any situation dictate to you who you are and who you can be. I know it's very much easier said than done. I know that because I've done it. But fight for your dreams. Because no one else is going to fight for your dreams except you.
उन्होंने कहा, don't listen to everybody's words. Think about yourself. If you are right, she also used this word, that if you are right, then don't think of what others are saying. Think only about yourself. अपने बारे में सोचिए. अगर आप अच्छा सही काम कर रहे हैं, go for it, take risk, keep doing. One day there will be success in your life. That's what she was saying. सुना आपने? कितनी अच्छी बात कही उन्होंने.
आर्मी की बेटी daughter of 2 doctors with a middle class upbringing and ginormous families, who I love on both sides.
Thomas means extremely large. सब सामने फैमिली वाले बैठे हुए थे उनके, तो वो उसके लिए उन्होंने वर्ड किया कि large family she was talking about. She used this beautiful word ginormous. Ginormous means a large family she was having. And then finally she says that she wears with pride.
But that is what has made me who I am. And I wear that with pride every day and everywhere that I go. So last and definitely not the least, rule number 12, don't ever forget your roots and where you came from.
This beautiful idiom she used. She wears with pride. What she wears with pride? Wears with pride the success. Wears with pride the love, the respect which she is getting world over. And the parents and the family members are also admiring all these kinds of things. So she is wearing all these things with pride. So I must say is that listen to what these celebrities are saying. As you today, I hope, understood this interview of Priyanka Chopra Jonas, that how speaking English is very, very important, and listening to the celebrities and the reason behind their success is also very, very important. So I hope this lesson today has made you better, an advanced learner. Make use of the vocabulary which I have told you, and you will definitely become an advanced speaker and learner of English as well. Keep learning with them.